Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus maintenance light. This dashboard indicator is a common sight, reminding you that your vehicle is due for routine service, like an oil change or tire rotation. It usually appears after you've driven about 5,000 miles since its last reset. It's important to address the underlying maintenance before clearing the light, ensuring your Lexus remains in top condition. Now, let's get started with the initial steps. First, turn your Lexus ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find your odometer display and cycle through the options until you see Trip A or Odo mode. This setting is crucial for the reset process. Also, make sure all your vehicle doors are completely closed before proceeding to the next step. With your odometer set, it's time for the main reset action. Turn your ignition switch completely to the off position. Now, press and firmly hold down the trip meter reset button. While keeping that button pressed, turn your ignition back to the on position. Continue holding the button for about 10 seconds. You'll see the maintenance light blink, then go solid, and finally disappear. Once the maintenance light has disappeared, you can release the trip meter reset button. To finalize the process and ensure everything is correctly set, turn your ignition switch off completely. Then, restart your vehicle as you normally would. The maintenance required indicator should now remain off, confirming a successful reset. Remember to keep up with your Lexus's scheduled maintenance for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.